So hi, my name's Eric Bauer, and I'm the car owner of the number 23, along with my wife, Stephanie Bauer. And what brought us to M1 today was the American Speed Festival. So what got me into the sprint car was actually my son. My son wanted to, race on a circle track. We went to an event. He actually sat in a sprint car, and from there it was downhill. We started researching what we could do. A few days before he turned 16, we started racing the pavement sprint car. He's now 18, and he is now at the point where any change on the car he can make, he can tear the car completely apart, put it back together, and I'd like to introduce him and let him kind of take you around the car.
I'm Charlie Bauer, driver of the number 23 CB1 Motorsports pavement sprint car. Can start right here. So this is actually an old dirt chassis, like the World of Outlaws or High Limit. They run what's called a torsion bar. So this is almost like a spring. These torsion bars have different weights, and when they twist, it's like a load. And see, we can actually adjust this bolt and put turns in or out, and that'll affect the cross. A 350 cubic inch small block crate engine from GM. So it makes around 400 horsepower on methanol, and it weighs 1650 with me in the car. So the most noticeable part about these cars are obviously the wing. So the top wing, it's a 5x5, so 25 square feet. And these wings generate anywhere between 2,000 to 3,000 pounds of downforce on the car. You may think the top wing does all the work, but it's actually the front wing that puts the air up here. We can adjust the front wing up and down. What it's doing is the air will come up here, and then it'll put the air on the top wing, which in turn puts downforce on the car. So it's one speed, we don't shift when we race. It's just get in and go.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the overview of the car, and as you can see, my son Charlie, he's got a passion for racing, as well as a passion for understanding and learning about the car.
So make sure you come out to the American Speed Festival. It's an event unlike any other. There's no other place in the world where you can see a vintage NASCAR, vintage Indy cars, sprint cars, Ferraris, Porsches, any kind of car or motorsport making laps around this 1.5 mile road course. And yeah, thanks for watching.